Hello there, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk a lot. I'm going to show you my recent skincare routine. I got asked to show you guys, to film a video and show you what products I'm using currently and what works for me. So this is what I'm going to do in today's video. Obviously I'm wearing a wig and I can't stop staring at myself in my monitor. I'm sorry, but I don't know, it looks different. First I'm going to start with the toning solution. It's so important to include, I'm talking with my hands today, I don't know, I feel like I don't know, nervous, but not really. Anyway, so it's very important to include a toning solution in your skincare routine. This helps to keep the pH level balanced. The one that I'm using currently is this one from The Ordinary. It's called glycolic acid 7%. I don't know if that means something. This is so good. I have dry skin during the cold season and this works perfectly for my dry skin. It doesn't dries out my skin. It works nice with my skin. Okay, I have this one from L'Oreal, but this dries out my skin. I have a hair. I'm sorry. This dries out my skin and it doesn't work for me. Okay, it smells delicious, and also this is for sensitive skins, but no, it's not working for me. I'm sorry. It smells delicious though. Oh my god, so good, but no, it's not working for me. Anyway, next step will be serum, and actually these products were sent to me to try out. I'm not paid to talk about them in this video. I've been testing them for the past 4-5 weeks now, and oh my god, they're so good. I did include them in my skincare routine, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm in love. I'm talking about the Good Molecules serums. They sent me the discoloration correcting and hyaluronic acid. I'm not gonna lie, I love this one a little bit more just because I have dry skin, and this gives me hydration, moisturization. That's correct? I think so. This feels amazing on my skin. I mean, they feel the same, they absorb super quick, but I don't know, this one gives me more. It gives me more. I need more, you know what I mean? I haven't used this the discoloration one that much. As you can see, I'm like right here on this one, but the hyaluronic one I'm like halfway through and I need more. I need to repurchase this. They're very affordable. I think they're like €8 or so, I don't know, don't quote me on that. But sometimes not all the time, but sometimes I do use both serums because, as I said, they absorb super quick in the skin, into the skin, on the skin. What? They absorb super quick, and you are like ready to go in a minute, you know what I mean? Very quick, I'm going to mention this jade roller. I don't know exactly if this is real jade, but it feels pretty heavy and also is very cold when I put this on my face. This is not the best one out there. As we can see, it has this metal attachment, and when I'm using the smaller stone around my nose and my eye area, I have to be very careful because that kind of gets in the way. I think you can find better ones now. I'm seeing them all over the internet, so also they are very affordable. So yeah, this is a must-have. Okay, I'm using this with my oils, I'm using this with my serums when I have time and when I remember to use it, but I do use it when I remember. Okay, next step is eye cream, and actually I did mention this in my previous videos. I don't believe in eye creams. I feel like they don't work for me, or maybe I didn't found yet the best for my under eyes. If that's like the magic potion, like why I can't apply that all over my face? Like I want that magic all over my face, if that makes sense. Anyway, I don't really believe in eye creams, but I do have 2 eye creams. I'm using this from Caudali. I like this a little bit more than the Mario Badescu one. This is the Ceramide eye gel. This is super sticky. Very thick and sticky. I use this only before I go to bed because during the day this is a no-no. you cannot use this under the makeup. No, your makeup will slip and slide everywhere. So I didn't test this that much, but it's very hydrating, and also I had a few times where I applied this all over my face, and wow, it was nice. The one that I'm using daily is this one from Kudali, I don't know how to say that. This is the Premier Crew Under Eye Cream. I got this in my Look Fantastic box 2 months ago, and I've been using this since then. This didn't wow me, but I like it because it works under the makeup, and also it absorbs into the skin super fast. So yeah, it's nice, but as I said, this didn't wow me either. So yeah, that's that. Next step is optional. I don't use this product every single day on my face. I'm applying this more like 3 times a week or so. I love to include an oil into my skincare routine. Oils for the face are like magic, you know, they are made from plants, nourishing, you know, vitamins, antioxidants. I don't know what I'm talking about, but natural oils for the skin, they are like magic. You just have to stay consistent. Trust me. So I'm talking about this pure cold pressed rosehip seed oil, and again, this is from Good Molecules. It was sent to me, but this is so good, you guys. This is like the magic potion in this little jar. I'm not even joking. These two products together are bomb. They work so well on my skin. It says antioxidant rich facial oil that delivers natural vitamin A and helps restore skin elasticity. As I said, natural oils for the skin are like magic. Trust me. Next step is moisturizer, and actually I run out of my moisturizers, but these two I loved so much. This one doesn't give me that much moisturizer or hydration, but it works beautifully under the makeup, so I guess that's why I keep using it. But it's not bad, it's not bad. This is from Fourth Ray Beauty. This is the lightweight hydrator. It's nice, okay? And the one that I loved so much, and I need to repurchase this is from the brand Siam, and this is the Iceland Water Volume Cream. This is a Korean brand. I love this so much. They have another one, it's blue, but this is for dry skin. So as we can see, it's empty. I need to repurchase this. It smells very spa-ish. This has more like a gel-ish texture. It's so hydrating, but it feels super lightweight on the skin. So also this works amazing under the makeup. I use this day and night, so I think this is a day cream, but I use this day and night. I really need to repurchase this because it works amazing on my skin. As we can see, there is nothing left in there. And that's it for my moisturizers. I don't have any other moisturizers. And the final step also is optional, but I like to use a facial mist on my face. I'm using this collagen hydro gel mist with aloe vera. This is by the brand The Skin of Queen Soko. Also, this is a Korean brand, but this smells so good. So it says natural ingredients: aloe vera, deep sea water, collagen, hordeum vulgar leaf. It smells delicious. So as I said, this is also optional, but I like to use a facial mist. Next, I'm going to mention a few products that I don't use them daily, but I use them weekly, so they are also a part of my skincare routine. So I'm going to start with this clay mask from Vichy. So this is the pore purifying clay mask. I recently discovered this, so I'm kind of cheating on this one, but I did use this the other day, and oh my god, I was wowed. Like, this left my skin super smooth, super soft. I was, as I said, wow. It smells so good, and it has that refreshing feeling on the skin. It doesn't burn, it doesn't leave my skin red or anything like that. So as I said, this is a pore purifying clay mask. It comes a pack with 2, and actually there's a lot of product in here. You will get like 3 uses or so. Bomb, and it was like 6 euros, 8 euros, I don't know exactly. This is so good. And next I'm going to mention this one, also from Good Molecules. It was sent to me, obviously. This is the Instant Cleansing Balm. This is amazing. This removes my makeup like nothing else does. What? This removes my makeup perfectly. This comes in its solid form, but when you rub this on your fingers and then on your face, it melts. So this is like an oil. Yeah, it says right here. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. So it says formulated with nourishing sea buckthorn oil, camellia oil, and shea butter. So as I said, it comes solid, but you rub this on your face so it melts. Yeah, this smells absolutely delicious. You cannot see it because it's white. I did use this. So you need like a little scoop, and that removes your entire face, lips, eyes, culo. I'm just kidding. But yeah, you need just a little scoop. It has like a little spatula here, so you scoop this out, you apply it on your fingers and then on the face, and oh my god, magic happens. As I said, it smells beautiful. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Let me know down below if you use any of the products that I mentioned in today's video, and if it works for you, just let me know. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. You can call me Natasha from now on. Just kidding. Baby, why don't you say it so? But I do use this mostly every day, but not kinda, but kinda, but not kinda, but oh my god, my wig is falling off. It's not my wig, it's my wig cap. What I'm supposed to do now? Yeah, what the heck I'm supposed to do now? My wig cap is like right here. I can feel it. It's okay.